Everyone wants respect, understanding, and fair treatment. But people don't react to who you are, they react to what you project. Changing how others treat you starts with how you shape your presence. This video explains what truly changes social behavior toward you, mastering the subtle language that defines human connection. Perception. Perception forms within seconds from signals you send unconsciously. Tone, posture, and expression build your image. Every detail teaches others how to treat you. People don't respond to intentions, but to the energy you broadcast. Even silence carries information. Awareness of your signals is the first step toward influence. Self-awareness. Self-awareness means noticing your patterns before others do. It's understanding what emotions, tone, and expectations you radiate outward. When awareness grows, unconscious habits lose power, and others begin to sense the shift. People feel more at ease around someone who knows themselves. Your calm clarity becomes contagious. Nonverbal cues. Body language speaks louder than words. Open posture shows confidence. Closed posture creates distance. Eye contact and subtle gestures reveal how safe you feel. Your body speaks before you do. Every movement either invites or blocks connection. Tone of voice. Tone shapes emotion faster than meaning. A calm, steady tone conveys clarity and authority. People respond not only to what you say, but to how your words feel inside them. Your tone is the bridge between logic and emotion. It tells people whether to trust or retreat. Personal boundaries. Boundaries define how you protect your time, energy, and focus. They're not walls, but filters for healthy interaction. When you stop over-explaining, respect begins to grow. Boundaries create clarity, and clarity commands calm authority. Self-respect. People mirror the level of respect you show yourself. When you treat your needs as valid, others do the same. Your self-treatment becomes the model they follow. Respect starts within and expands outward. Energy consistency. Emotional stability attracts trust. People feel safe when your reactions are steady. Calm energy builds credibility more than words ever could. Consistency communicates safety, the foundation of respect. Presence. Presence isn't about talking louder, it's about being fully here. Focus acts like gravity, drawing attention naturally. True presence makes people slow down and listen. When you are present, you occupy space with quiet certainty, calm that speaks louder than performance. First impressions. The brain decides within seconds if you're safe or dominant. Relaxed shoulders, a small smile, and grounded tone build trust. When your energy is steady from the start, people remember how they felt long after words fade. Micro-validation. Micro-validation means small affirmations, nods, smiles, brief acknowledgements. They show emotional intelligence and create social safety. These subtle cues make people feel seen. Expectation energy. Humans adjust to the expectations they sense. If you expect equality, others align with it. Belief in mutual respect changes the atmosphere before words begin. Expectation is energy in disguise. People adapt to the emotional tone you carry. Internal authority. Authority means calm certainty, not control. When you know your worth, you stop negotiating it. True authority is quiet confidence that doesn't seek approval. Leadership without ego makes others relax into your direction. Emotional regulation. How you manage tension defines how people perceive strength. Staying composed under stress signals competence. Self-control in crisis builds long-term respect. Emotional regulation doesn't suppress emotion, it channels it into clarity. Curiosity. Curiosity disarms ego. When you ask genuine questions, people open up. Interest builds connection faster than perfection ever could. Curiosity transforms conversation from transaction into understanding. Authenticity. Authenticity means alignment between what you feel and show. Pretending confidence breeds unease. Genuine calm always draws people in. Realness is magnetic because it's rare. It creates instant credibility. Emotional warmth. Warmth isn't weakness. Small kindnesses shift chemistry. Warmth paired with self-respect equals approachability with strength. People remember not just your words, but the comfort of your tone. Self-containment. Self-containment means staying centered without seeking approval. Independence creates quiet authority and mutual respect. You become the calm in the noise and anchor others' trust. Posture and movement. Straight posture with relaxed motion signals balance. The body communicates identity before the voice does. How you move shapes how others feel around you. Empathy without absorption. Empathy means understanding, not absorbing. Boundaried empathy keeps you stable. Compassion with distance earns respect. Emotional maturity never requires emotional leakage. Selective disclosure. Not everyone deserves full access to your inner world. Sharing less builds mystique and respect. Privacy signals confidence and self-control, not secrecy, but selectivity. Eye contact balance. Too little eye contact reads as avoidance. Too much feels aggressive. A steady, gentle gaze builds trust fast. Eyes create emotional synchrony faster than words. Gratitude and recognition. Acknowledging others authentically amplifies harmony. People remember those who notice effort. Gratitude creates connection without submission and turns courtesy into strength. Micro-decisions. Respect builds from micro-decisions made daily. Speaking slower, holding eye contact, saying no calmly, all teach people who you are. Boundaries in conversation. Interruptions or one-sided stories lower respect. Balanced dialogue creates fairness and mutual recognition. Self-definition. If you don't define yourself, others will. Communicate identity through steady behavior, not declarations. Handling disrespect. Disrespect doesn't require anger. Calm withdrawal removes attention, your most powerful tool. Maturity often sounds like silence, and silence often sounds like strength. Emotional memory. People remember how they felt around you, not what you said. Emotional memory shapes every future interaction. Every calm presence becomes an emotional anchor. Silence isn't absence, it's influence. Pausing before speaking adds gravity to words. Stillness in speech reveals strength in thought. Silence teaches patience and control. Feedback loop. Every interaction feeds back into perception. Your calm resets the room. Over time, this defines mutual respect and trust. The more you embody peace, the more others adjust to it. Identity reinforcement. Act as if respect already exists. When your behavior reflects worth, others adapt to it. You teach more by example than command. Repetition turns identity into presence. Long-term calibration. Change isn't instant. Each consistent reaction rewires expectations. Influence grows quietly through time, not pressure. Real power always moves slowly but surely. The core insight. People treat you according to the emotional environment you create. Change that atmosphere and behavior shifts naturally. You don't control others, only your presence. The strongest influence comes from inner stability, not outer effort. When your energy is calm and clear, others begin to match it unconsciously. Conclusion. Changing how people treat you isn't manipulation, it's alignment. When your inner tone stabilizes, the outer world mirrors it. You attract the treatment that matches your self-image. Change yourself first and watch the entire room adjust. If you like this video, subscribe for more like this.